all of you must be aware of like NPCs, right? That has scripted dialogues, and you can't chat with them any beyond what was already programmed. And they often glitch out, right? So there's a meme goes around for bad NPCs. It doesn't have to be that way anymore. You can talk to them very naturally, just like you talk to your friends inside the game, and they can carry out very intelligent actions and behaviors. And not only that, they can have memories of events, and they can be on character and follow the story, have expertise and knowledge, show emotions, all real-time dynamically generated. Not only that, they can even perceive the environment around them, and tell you and take you around places and interact with objects, and all of that dynamic and real time, right? So I have been thinking about this problem for like more than 10 years of how we can design such characters that are very much human-like. Prior to Convai, I was working at NVIDIA, leading some research and engineering efforts there. And like David mentioned, I've been a competitive gamer before. Back in 2017, when I was doing my thesis research, I pretty much talked about and wrote about this particular problem that, like AI is growing, but the next frontier, which right now is LLM, but beyond that would be multimodality. And simulations and the gaming environments are the best place to have the next frontier for AI. So my co-founders and the rest of the teammate are pretty experienced. They were like staff engineers at Google, researchers, senior product managers from NVIDIA, Amazon, other AI startups. So what I'm going to do is give you a brief rundown of the entire stack of how we are a compound startup. It's like a bunch of different applications or like startups within a startup. So I'll go by one. So basically tell you about all the different things within that you can do when configuring the character text in, text out. Then you add voice, you integrate with the NPC avatar, you connect with the game engine, and I guess I can point here. Yeah, so you connect with the game engine, and then you get them to perceive the virtual environment. So in text in, text out, you basically can give them backstories, give them like add knowledge to them or memories to them. They can speak various languages and have memories and whatnot, all based on top of the LLMs. And then they should be able to even understand your tone and emotions. So like speech to text is not basic speech to text; it has emotion awareness. And when they speak, they also have emotions in their voices, and they can speak with multiple languages and such. So you add voices. Now you have a character that has backstories, and now you want to integrate with the avatar, right? So such that they have the realistic expressions and the body language and all of that. We are avatar agnostic, but we support all kinds of avatar systems. And then you put them in the immersive world through the game engines, right? And such that they can perceive the environment, and they can effectively become a robot that can pretty much do anything that a real human can do, right? So and we can integrate with existing mechanics like behavior trees and state machines and such. So that's like the entire pipeline. And like I said, this is a compound startup, and you can pretty much be leading many of these places here, and each of the components are built on top of each other. So it's like quite an extensive tech stack. So the use cases are not only just games. While we are trying to solve for games, you can be creating immersive environments for brands and other products where these characters could be explaining and talking or marketing their products. They can be in real world through screens that you can walk up and talk to them. And they can, of course, be used in learning and training use cases, right? So our product was liked pretty much by NVIDIA, and we did a demo together where Jensen himself presented this demo, which went pretty popular and viral. We have seen tremendous growth over the last 9 to 10 months since we launched our product. And we currently have more than 15,000 developers developing more than 1,000 active projects. And some of the biggest brands and studios and IPs that you know about are working with us, and we are projecting tremendous revenue growth as well. We're hiring all across the board, but these are some of the roles that we need very urgently. So if you can come, if you think that you want to be part of this, we would love to talk to you. I will be standing across that refrigerator in the kitchen. Thank you.